How to disable registration on WordPress. Don't want anyone registering on your site? Registration can easily be disabled in WordPress and without installing any new plugins. Learn how in this quick tutorial. First of all, open your browser and enter into your WordPress administration panel. Write your domain /wp-admin. Write your username and password, and then log in. Now, go with the mouse over Settings and click on General. On this page, you will see an option called Membership. Uncheck the box and then go to the bottom of the page. Click Save Changes. Now, nobody can register on your site. If you want to add somebody as a member, you will have to create a user for them from the dashboard. This is how you disable the registration on WordPress. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.